Welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about Xlookup examples. In my previous videos I already explained few examples. Now let's discuss about remaining examples. Now let us come to the example find the last matching. In vlookup we can look up the data in exact value or positive value, true value or false value. Now we can ascending order, descending order, we can look up the data with the use of Xlookup. See, like, so we have a employee data. In this employee data we have a fields called division and date of joining. With the help of Xlookup data, so we can look up the data in such a way that in production in division wise who is the first joining and who is the last joining. Here let's take this example, Xlookup division. We have to select in this division. So what is the written array? The employee name should come here. In name search mode. In a search mode we can check this data. So who we want? We want first to last. If you want first to last, you can select 1. If you first to last to first, you can select -1. Let's close the bracket. So Ravi joined in production department in 2015. He is the first one joined in production 2015. Okay, same way. Sorry, we have to lock this one. So Siva joined first in finance in 2017. He is the first one. In such a way it will. Now let's see -1. So last to first. So Babu joined last in production department in 2022 here. So at this like this you can get the date of joining also. So hope you understand the example here. Now let's move on to next example, approximate value. Now we have the data of employees sales. With that sales data, organization is going to give commission to encourage the salesman. Now we have the sales data here and we have the range of the commission here. Okay, now let's, if you take the vlookup, it will give exact value. If it is not found the exact value, it will throw error message. Now in this Xlookup formula, so we can resolve that issue. Let's start the formula Xlookup. So what is the lookup value? This one. And what is the lookup array? Is this one. If the selected sales figure is in this slab, this percentage should come. This is the written array. Let's close the bracket. Now error message will come. Why this 2830 is not here? Sort out this issue with using this search mode, match mode. See, let's see here. If not found is there, you left like that only. Match mode. Match mode started. In this match mode, we can select entire match or next similar item. If you give -1, again it will come. So now what we have to do, we have to give 1. What is 1? Exact match or next larger item. If you give here, it will come automatically. We have to freeze this to copy the formula. This is the slab value. So you can, if you want to total commission into sales, this is the exact commission based on their sales. So that's all for today. Hope you understand the examples. You can find my two previous videos in cards. Hope you understand the videos. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.